welcome to Bacalar and Seven Colors Lagoon. On this one we went through Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines. I'm sure it's through other ones too. In this video we're going to show you everything you need to know and whether it's right for you. But look at this view behind us, you guys. This is gorgeous, and this is fresh water,
yes,
not the ocean.
Come along.
Seven Colors Lagoon. You guys look at this. This is gorgeous. Stick with us. We're going to do some swimming around and everything for a few minutes, and then we're going to go back to the hotel that we booked at in Bacalar. Come along. What are you doing?
Just got some water. Went down my eyes somehow.
That's
That
awesome.
happened.
That's great.
Huh?
That's great.
As long as there was no sunscreen wipes in it, I'll be good.
Right. So, right over here, there is a protected area that is the mangroves. So we learned a little bit of history about here. It was pretty cool, but if you want to do this excursion, I would say it's worth it. Just getting into this water right here and chillaxing like this with this view is worth it. This is $1 million view. It really is.
Absolutely.
I will say this, that so back when the Mayans were around this area, I guess I could understand, because there's no fishing here. Like, it was probably hard for them to survive with the lack of fishing here, because I know it's probably been this way forever because it was the mangroves, and mangroves can also and so a lot of fish can't survive in here. They have tilapia, they have catfish, and they have needlefish. But to have to go out every day, I mean, yes, it's beautiful. It looks like a swimming pool. But to have to go out every day to try and catch your meals in a lake like this would be really, really hard.
Step on it.
Do not disturb
Yeah,
the
don't
artifacts.
disturb your...
That's a Mayan artifact.
Yeah.
It's a petrified piece of wood. It's been here since the Mayans were here.
Yeah.
All right. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you.
I am the one with allergies, you know, baby. There's my special treat.
All right, specially made for Sherry.
Yeah, it's a bunch of veggies.
Yeah. All right, well, Seven Colors Lagoon is done. We're back at Bacalar at the resort that they bring you to. And it is time for lunch. As you can see, I got fish, I got the fajita mix, I've got the tortillas, oh, I got it all. And a Coca-Cola. Now they made Sherry a specific meal because we had talked to them when we first got here, and they made her. It looks like a bunch of vegetables that have been steamed or fried or something, and probably like sauteed in like probably like a coconut oil.
Some mushrooms, which I love, and peppers and onions, carrots. Did they have some guacamole?
I didn't see any. They only had the two things, and that was
guacamole, didn't he?
Yeah, but there's none up there.
Huh. Okay. Well, no guacamole.
No guacamole.
I'm starving.
Yeah, me too.
Swam up an appetite. We were there for about an hour.
Yeah. Now let's see how the chicken fajita is.
You get sauce?
Mm-hmm.
I have celery. I have every vegetable that they have here. Tomatoes, peppers, onions. I keep finding more vegetables they put in here, and it's good. Flavorful.
No, that green sauce is hot.
You warned us.
Mm-hmm.
Habanero.
Yeah. That don't stop me. But
Let's see how much time we have to eat.
we got about
30, 40 minutes?
Yeah, about 40 minutes to eat and get ready to be back on the bus to go back on the ship.
So we need to devour this food.
Yep,
So
and then go
we
sit
can
by a
cover
pool
a
real
little bit
quick.
more. Yes.
Lord.
Alright, adios.
So you know, guys, that this is actually a hotel as well. You can get a room here. Let's just spa this way.
Yes, in here.
Yep, in here.
Elixir.
All right, let's go check out the spa area, y'all. Look at this view.
Beautiful.
Look at this. And this is where you would come for your massages. Hello. Just giving a tour. I bet you this is gorgeous at night. Little birdie coming. Look at this. And this is why it's called Seven Colors Lagoon, because I can see like 6 colors right now.
There's more than 7.
Yeah. could rent stuff if you were staying here. Facilities. Yeah, but this is only for people that are staying here.
Yeah, kayaks.
Yep, they've got the rental stuff. Excuse me. Yeah, this place is amazing looking. Just, it feels like you're walking through the rainforest. What do you think? All inclusive here?
Yeah. I don't know if it's all inclusive though.
No, well, you know what I mean. Yeah, Ross Chizo's restaurant. All right. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Muy bien, good to see you, señor. Is that the new lady?
Yeah. Well, we're wrapping it up today at
Bacalar
and Seven Colors Lagoon. It was a great day.
Wonderful day. Beautiful
The ride
weather.
down wasn't as bad as it sounds. I know it sounds like a long trip, but the bus is very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Yeah, and the resort is nice. It's almost like you're walking through a jungle.
The water's beautiful. The ride isn't bad. It's about an hour and a half.
Yes, the weather was beautiful. Luckily, there's
We
no.
were fortunate.
Yeah, you don't get any bugs. There's no bug bites or anything like that. So it's all really, really, really good. But I think for me, for my opinion, it's going to be a one and done kind of thing. What do you think?
Probably.
Well,
Probably.
I say that, but if I was to come down here and stay in the
Costa
hotel
Maya?
side,
I would come here if I was getting off the ship.
yeah. So it was well worth it. Thanks, guys. Thanks to everybody at Bacalar and Seven Colors Lagoon. Y'all did an amazing job. Y'all even made her a special meal. Shout out to you guys. Amazing.
Loved
Thank
it.
y'all. Now we
Thanks
will
for-
see you guys back on the ship.